There's a BMW roundel stuck to the pillar of the new X2. It's an impossible to miss detail on the crossover hatchback thing that is in itself impossible to miss, especially in galvanic gold metallic. It looks great stuck back there, behind the X2's version of the Hofmeister kink. Does it matter that only the most devout of the BMW faithful will know that this badge is a tribute to the CS coupes of the 1960s and 70s? High's attractive inside and out, nails the front toe drive quotient. Low's stiff ride, rodent suspension noise, high-ass tested price. Probably not. This is the kind of vehicle the luxury market is clamoring for now, and this nugget of intra-brand appropriation seems unlikely to impact sales projections. But despite the X2's transversely mounted engine, its standard front-wheel drive, and its lack of a manual transmission option, the badge is a sign that there's the spirit of a real BMW lurking in here. Built on the same platform as the X1 and the Mini Countryman, the X2 can be thought of as a sleeker X1 with a lower roof, a pinched greenhouse, and just the right amount of running shoe in its design to mask the transverse engine proportions. Its nearly $40,000 base price shouldn't stop it from flying out of showrooms and right into the manicured hands of young urban professionals. What the modern yuppie will get in the X2 xDrive 28i is a £3,705 crossover with room for 5 in their $15 Gale smoothies. As an X1 spin-off, the wheelbases are identical, but X2s are a couple of inches lower and shorter in overall length. Inside, the X2 is a near match to the X1. Both have the same high-quality materials and the same design. The only differences inside are slight reductions in cargo space and headroom. With its 228 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-litre inline 4 and an 8-speed automatic, the all-wheel drive X2 calls up 60 miles per hour in 6.4 seconds. And when equipped with the $400 million sport suspension and 19-inch Biley Cinturato P7 summer tires that are part of the $4,650 million Sport X package, the X2 boasts eager turn-in responses, flat cornering, and 0.90 grams of stable grip. Its front-wheel drive roots mean that it can't be steered with the throttle, but neither can a Volkswagen GTI, which is sort of what the X2 feels like, a loaded GTI with a lift kit. A jarring ride is the penalty for the handling goodness. Coarse pavement sends tire and road hum pouring into the cabin, and there's suspension and tire impact noise that BMW's Juniorcity platform doesn't filter out. We measured 67 decibels of din at 70 miles per hour, only slightly louder than a BMW X3. However, the X3 deals with the ride and handling catch-22 by offering a similar level of dynamic joy while being more compliant, refined, and quiet. The X2 is noisy and rough around the edges for a crossover with an AS-tested price above $50,000. It's a vehicle that makes a lot more sense at just over $40,000, so put yours on an options diet. What the X2 lacks in refinement, it makes up for in playfulness. And while its layout and platform may break with BMW tradition, its pricing, handling, and badge placement, and its appeal to yuppies, are as BMW as you can get.